Oh, you're back. Come in, dear.
Hi, Grandma. It's so wet out.
I made your favorite soup. Press gently, dear. Feel the dough soften.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now fold it in. Stirring the vegetables nicely.
They look perfect, Grandma.
Taste this.
Delicious.
You're doing a wonderful job, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. It's fun.
Now, let's check the stove.
Okay.
That's it, dear. Keep stirring.
It's getting smoother.
Now add the honey.
Okay, Grandma. Wow, they look so golden.
They are perfect. Let's get them out.
I can't wait to try one.
Here you go, Grandma.
Thank you, dear. You're such a big help. I enjoy it. It goes faster with two.
Grandma, I made your favorite pastries.
Oh, they look wonderful, dear. Delicious. This tea is lovely, isn't it? Yes, it's perfect for a rainy day.
It reminds me of when you were little.
It's still warm. Go on, try it.
It looks delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy, dear. It's so lovely to see you, my dear.
You too, Grandma. I've missed this.
Me too.
I love you.
It's so good to have you here, dear.
I've missed this, Grandma.
Me too. Have some more tea.